Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie Hardy and welcome to the party. Today I am just going to be showing you how I do my imPRESS press-on manicure nails for my videos. As y'all know, I am a massage therapist, so it is difficult for me to get my nails done at the moment and they look horrible. So if I need to go on a day out or if I want to film my videos, I go ahead and I put these on. Get these out of the package. They are safe on natural nails, no hassle. They are hassle-free removal, and these are the oval edition. It comes with 30 nails, 6 different accents, so we take it out and it looks like so. It comes with a don't miss prep pad and a little wood filer with some instructions inside. So as you can see, they come with these little tabs, and these just pull off. The back tab goes to the back of the thumb. So we're going to go through and we're going to find what matches for me. As you can see, this is the most difficult part. It's actually pretty easy for the most part. So this one will fit right here. Now that I have the ones picked out, I'm just going to put them in here, put the top back on it, and these can be used for another time. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, if you haven't already manicured your nails, you want to go in with this thing and you want to push your cuticles back. That way the nails, they fit as good as possible up against the skin. Push your cuticles back. Me, I've already done it, so we're just pushing these back. Now that that is done, we go into the alcohol pad, like so. And then we'll go in here and we will clean our nails. Get all the oils off of them. That way they stick better. Now that we have our clean pushed back nails, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start from the outside and we're gonna do these 4 fingers first, and then we'll do these fingers, and then you always want to save your thumbs for last because it's easier to peel the plastic off if you have your thumbs available. So do your thumbs last. So we'll go in, we'll take the first pinky for my left hand, and all you do, we're going to pull this tab off. You can just lay it to the side. Okay, and then we're going to take this, push on, and hold. I'm gonna hold it for about 5 seconds. Make sure it's on straight. And there you have it. It is as easy as that. Same process. And go in here, shove it back, press it on. Okay, now that we have our nails on, it comes with a little emery board, and what you'll do is you'll just go in here and you'll just get those little stubs off. Like so. This one's really big, so we'll just go in here and file this off. Like so, and then we'll do that with all of them. Okay y'all, so there we have the nails done and on. Like I said, they're not perfect, no they're not, but they do get the job done. You can keep them on pretty much for a day. I've never tried to wear them after a day because you have to be very careful when you wear these, especially digging in your purse or pulling up your pants. Y'all know women issues, so other than that, guys, it is that easy. It's that simple. So now you can go on about your day. If y'all like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and get that done. It's the little red button right down there in that corner. I think it's over there. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Bye!